Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be steam cleaning some aluminum wheels. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be steam cleaning the aluminum wheels on this Jeep. I've never done it before, so it'll be a little bit of an experiment. I've been watching a lot of detailing videos over the winter, and that is something that I've noticed that a lot of people do is they steam clean mostly the interiors. So I picked up a steam cleaner, and I even saw pictures on the box that it came in that you can steam clean wheels, so I thought I would give it a try. Alright, so I got it all filled up with water, got it powered on, just waiting for it to heat up, and then we'll get started. Alright, so that little red light has gone out, which means it is ready to use. So let's give it a shot, see what happens. Alright, we're going to start on the second wheel, just spray it down. So it says to clean it first, so go ahead and clean it with some aluminum wheel cleaner. And then we'll hit it with the steam cleaner. Yeah, and I don't think these wheels are in very good condition because they just are not turning out well at all. So it feels like these are pretty chewed up here, so I'm probably gonna have to replace these. I think what I will do though is I'm going to clean up the wheels on the Mustang, because at least I know those are in good shape. So we'll go ahead and I'm done with these. We'll go ahead and work on the Mustang wheels. Alright, and these I'm just going to hit with straight steam. I don't need to do anything to clean them up. Oh yeah, these are cleaning up real nice. So yeah, that looks a lot better on this car. So again, the wheels are in better shape, so they are gonna just have better results. I'll probably just have to replace those wheels on the Jeep because they're just not so good. But these turned out pretty damn good, so pretty satisfied with that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, give it a share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.